Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this April the 5th, 2023. Hope everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Hope everybody's having a great evening out there so far as well, and continue to stay safe and well and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the eastern satellite loop across the northwest Atlantic and also the east coast of the United States. We're going to take a look at the Watches Warning Advisory map, the weather radar, also the Storm Prediction Center outlook for today and again for your Thursday. Okay. I want to thank all my subscribers. Thank y'all for supporting my channel. I'm going to be doing a hour broadcast on Friday from 8 to 9 p.m. I'm going to be challenging everybody on YouTube here to see if I can get to 1,000 subscribers by 9 p.m. On April the 7th. April the 7th. I'm going to challenge everybody on YouTube to subscribe to challenge everybody to see if I can make it to 1,000 subscribers by 9 p.m. On April the 7th. Just want to put that out there as well. Okay. Let's go ahead and get on into the forecast now. I just want to throw that out there in this video here. I'm going to be doing a 1 hour challenge to everybody on YouTube to see if I can get to 1,000 subscribers by 9 p.m. on April the 7th, 2023. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get on into the forecast now. Just wanted to challenge everybody, see if I can do it. Alrighty, let's see. There's that cold front, as you can see, moving into the eastern portion of the United States. Low pressure system well up here. We got the warm front extending well out into the Atlantic. Coastal areas of the southeastern United States. Area of the low pressure will ride along this area of this front. So just want to give everybody, it's going to be a soggy weekend across much of the southeastern United States, the mid-Atlantic and south as well. Okay, we're going to be also watching this little feature right here over the southwest Atlantic. This system could drift a little further toward the Bahamas and maybe to the east coast. Also, combining with this front, could not definitely, but could spin up something off the southeast coast sometime next week. But I will have more on that as time draws near. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the watches, warnings, and advisories across the lower 48. We don't have too many. We got winter weather advisories over the northeast from New Hampshire to Vermont, all the way back up into a portion of Maine. Well, much of Maine, that is. Severe thunderstorm watches and warnings extending all the way from western New York through western PA through eastern Ohio, all the way back into central Kentucky, central Tennessee, all the way back into central and southern Mississippi and eastern Louisiana, along with some flash flood watches in effect for portions of Louisiana, Texas, also northern Mississippi and portions of Tennessee and northwest Alabama. We have a frost advisory with portions of Missouri. We have some freeze warnings over portions of Kansas City and Kansas State. Also, we have a blizzard warning, winter weather advisory still going on for portions of North Dakota, South Dakota, and also portions of northwest Minnesota. We have some hydro issue for portions of Montana. Also over here in Oregon and Washington State. We got a few little winter weather advisories for portions of Alaska. We have freezing rain spray advisories for portion of Alaska, and we have some gale warnings down here in portion of the island chains of Hawaii. All right, we're also extending from up here as well through New York all the way back down into southeast Texas and also a portion of Mexico. This line will continue to push off to the east very, very slowly. So there may be some more severe weather through the night tonight. Tomorrow, the severe weather will kick up again over a portion of the Washington, D.C. area, Maryland area, back up toward Connecticut. May see some severe weather there as well. Also, we have snow in California. Let's see, we got some snow showers and a few rain showers over a portion of Alaska, and also some showers over Hawaii, and also some scattered showers over Puerto Rico as well. Alright, Storm Prediction Center time. General thunderstorm still out west from Colorado back into a portion of Wyoming, Utah, and also into Idaho. General thunderstorm still for portion northeast back down into the Atlanta metro area and back into portion of Louisiana and Texas, all the way back up into Michigan and portion of southern Canada. We still have that slight risk and marginal risk from southeast Texas all the way to the Great Lakes region, also portion of New York State, also portion of West Virginia as well, and Virginia. We have a slight risk also from southeast Texas all the way into, like I said, New York and portion of Ohio as well. Enhanced risk there as well in the yellow. The enhanced risk does include Columbus, Ohio, to Nashville, Tennessee, all the way to Louisville, Kentucky. Slight risk include Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, to Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, to Buffalo, New York. Marginal risk include Houston, Texas, all the way to Shreveport, Louisiana, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana as well. Alright, we have 5% in the brown, 2% in the green for tornado risk, 2% from Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, to Muncie, Indiana. Also 5% for Columbus, Ohio, all the way to Cincinnati, Ohio as well. Alright, the winds, we have 5% brown, 15 in yellow, red 30%. 30% area, this includes Columbus, Ohio, to Nashville, Tennessee, to all the way to Louisville, Kentucky, and surrounding areas. 15% Indianapolis, Indiana, Memphis, Tennessee, all the way to Buffalo, New York. 5% Houston, Texas, all the way over to Baton Rouge, Louisiana, and surrounding vicinities. And let's take a look at the hail probability. 5% in the brown, 15 in the yellow. 5% is from Houston, Texas, all the way to Corpus Christi, Texas, and also a portion of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and Cleveland, Ohio. Also all the way up from Columbus, Ohio to Memphis, Tennessee, all the way over to Louisville, Kentucky. So just be on the lookout for some severe hail there as well. Alright, we take a look at your Thursday forecast. We still got general thunderstorm from Maine all the way back into Texas. Marginal risk over southern Texas. Also, we have over here the mid-Atlantic region all the way back into upstate South Carolina. I would not be surprised to see maybe this area here could be filled in with more marginal risk as well. But anyway, the marginal risk, this includes New York, Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, San Antonio, Texas, and Austin, Texas. And let's take a look at tornado probability. Less than 2% in all areas. Wind, 5%. In the brown, does include New York, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Baltimore, Maryland, Charlotte, North Carolina, and Washington, D.C. And let's take a look at the hail probability. 5% the brown over southern Texas and also in the same area, upstate South Carolina to the mid-Atlantic region. This includes Houston, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, and Baltimore, Maryland. Okay, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this forecast and enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Plus, I'm doing, like I said, I'm doing that challenge on Friday to see if I can get to 1,000 subscribers and within 1 hour. So, If you want to subscribe between now and then, that would be great. That way I won't have that many more people to do. Hope everybody has a great evening. Enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got, and we'll catch you back in the next one.